Coursiv Review. Is this AI learning tool worth it? Well, let's find out. So, Coursiv offers beginner-friendly courses on AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, prompt engineering, and marketing and freelancing. It also has a free mobile app access and a trial free. You need also to get the subscription model, which starts at approximately $20 monthly if you want to get some bundle upgrades, which is priced as well. So it comes with positive feedback. So user friendly, it is also mobile optimized with an interface. They also have a confidence building for AI beginners. And they have mixed quality but some quality modules. However, it comes with major red flags. So the upselling and the surprise has charges. They also have poor refunds and support. They also have a shallow course content, which is described as generic, rudimentary, or AI generated. And they also have misleading claims. So, for the final verdict, is Coursive legit or a scam? Well, it's technically a real service with functioning content and basic AI modules, but it carries serious red flags like the aggressive upselling and confusing pricing. They also have a poor refund and support practices. They are also basic and non-inclusive learning content, and they have multiple scam reports spanning over the month, with particularly on Reddit with many users warning others against it. So it is legit, but not trustworthy.